Prime numbers are kind of important. We have to understand the concept here. Okay, here's the definition of prime numbers: a whole number greater than 1 that cannot be divided except by itself and 1. Okay, so automatically that rules out number 1. So we look at number 2, and when we say cannot be divided except for, basically we're talking about factors, and factors is a word I'm going to be using because when we start talking about fractions, we talk about greatest common factor and numbers dividing. Okay, so factors really means to divide. So if we divide 2, 2 is the first whole number greater than 1. The only way I can factor it is by 1 in itself. Therefore, it meets the definition of prime. The next whole number is 3, can be divided by only 1 and 3. 4, on the other hand, can be divided by 1 and 4, but it also be divided by 2 and 2. All of a sudden, it no longer meets the criteria for being a prime number, and this is what we would call a composite number. So it does not meet, so I will get rid of it. And we will go, whoop, got a little too far, to 5. 5 is a number that has factors of only 1 and 5. It cannot be broken down anymore. 6, yes, 1 and 6, but it also goes 2 and 3, so 6 is not a prime factor. The next prime factor is 7, and then we go to 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. And if you want to, you can always find a list of these guys. There are a lot of them, and some of them are quite large. But you can find a list if you Google that or look up any common basic math book. There will be a lot of those, and we use prime numbers when we break numbers down.